वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देव महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सूर्य चंद्र तारा तुम्हारी आज्ञारे बरसन्ते ज्योति राशि। सूर्य चंद्र तारा तुम्हारी आज्ञारे बरसन्ते ज्योति राशि। तुम्हारी कुसुम प्रति प्रभातारे हसाई आनंदे भासे। धन्य महाप्रभु महिमा तुम्हार। धन्य महाप्रभु महिमा तुम्हार अटे अनंत अपार। अटे अनंत अपार। दिय भक्ति प्रभु हृदय मोर विराज नित्य तहिरे। दिय भक्ति प्रभु हृदय मोर विराज नित्य तहिरे। सत्य पथे राही तुम्हारी आश्रय जाओ मोदीन महिरे। धन्य महाप्रभु महिमा तुम्हार। धन्य महाप्रभु महिमा तुम्हार अटे अनंत पार। अटे अनंत पार। कि सुंदर कि आनंदमय एहि विशाल संसार। धन्य महाप्रभु महिमा तुम्हार। धन्य महाप्रभु महिमा तुम्हार अटे अनंत पार। अटे अनंत पार। अटे अनंत अपार।
शुभ सकाळ पिला माने आमे आज गोटे नुआ शब्द शिखिबा। शब्दटी होची नैतिक। एहार अर्थ नीति संबंधी। अन्य अर्थ रे आमे कहि परिबा कर्तव्य बा करणीय अर्थ जहा करिबा उचित। यह एक विशेषण शब्द। ଏହାର ମୂଳ ଶବ୍ଦ ନୀତି। ନୀତି ସହିତ ଇକ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟୟର ଯୋଗରେ ଏ ନୂଆ ଶବ୍ଦଟି ସୃଷ୍ଟି ହୋଇଛି। ବାକ୍ୟ ପିତାମାତାଙ୍କର ସେବା କରିବା ଆମର ନୈତିକ କର୍ତ୍ତବ୍ୟ ଅଟେ। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।
Good morning. I am Tanishka Das from grade 7. The thought of today is, the man who asks a question is a fool for a minute. The man who does not ask is a fool for life. I repeat my thought. The man who asks a question is a fool for a minute. The man who does not ask is a fool for life. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
A father is neither an anchor to hold us back, nor a sail to take us there, but a guiding light whose love shows us the way. A very good morning. My name is Viva Biswal and I am from grade 7. Today I am going to speak a few lines on Father's Day. Father's Day is celebrated worldwide to recognize the contributions that fathers and fathers' figures makes for the lives of their children. The idea of a special day to celebrate and honor fatherhood was first introduced by United States. In US, Father's Day has been celebrated since June 1910. It is celebrated on the third Sunday of June every year. We can't believe our lives without our fathers. They have always been the one reliable man in our lives. We can never cease to follow their footsteps and will always take the right decision like they have taught us. I salute to the wonderful fathers who have touched the lives of many people. It can be their own kids or somebody else's kids. It can be their family, the people they have mentored, and the people they have coached, and the world at large. A father is someone to whom you look up to no matter how tall you grow. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
अदाओं से वो दिल बहलाता है। दुनिया में आते जाते वो प्यार लुटाता है। सागर ने पूछा नैया से, नैया ने पूछा खेवैया से, सबसे प्यारा
Namaste.